Now I want to talk about a really cool, little bit of a hack to get a video that shows from Midjourney the process that it actually took through generating your image from scratch. So let's hop into this process. What we're gonna do is start our prompt off as we normally would, and we're gonna type in our prompt. So let's say a heroic looking lion in the African desert. Harsh sunlight, warm tones, photo, hyper realistic, and inspiring. And what we're gonna do here, and this is the key, is we're gonna add -- video to the end of our prompt. So what I'm gonna do here, -- video. And I'm gonna hit enter. Okay, and this functionality actually doesn't work with version 4, so this is a good chance and a good example for us to switch versions. So let's take our same prompt that we were working with, a heroic lion, hyper-realistic, -- video. And what I'm also going to add is -- version 3. Now, while Midjourney is generating this, it's also going to be recording the process it took to actually create these images. Here we go. So we have our initial images. They're super abstract, but the cool part is now that we've added -- video to our original prompt, we can now react to that prompt with the mail emoji, and it's going to send us a message from the chatbot with a video link, which you just click to open. That's going to show the process that it went through to create the final image. Pretty cool and pretty crazy that it's doing this for every single image that it's generating. And here is a second version from a different prompt, but using the same exact process that we went through, that shows in a really detailed fashion how it got to a much more photorealistic looking final product.